The typical software development cycle, often referred to as the Software Development Life Cycle, or SDLC, consists of the following phases. Requirement gathering and analysis. This phase involves understanding and documenting what the software is expected to do, identifying user needs, and determining project feasibility. Planning. In this phase, the scope, timeline, budget, and resources needed for the project are defined. Design. Here, architects and developers create software architecture and design documents. These documents outline how the software will work, including both high-level and detailed design. So now we move on to implementation, or coding. This is the phase where developers roll up their sleeves and start writing the code based on the design specifications. It's a critical stage as the blueprint comes to life through lines of code. Every detail from the design document is translated into a functional program. Testing. The software is rigorously tested for defects, bugs, and functionality. Deployment. The software is deployed to a production environment where it becomes available for end users. Maintenance. After deployment, the software may need ongoing support, bug fixes, updates, and enhancements based on user feedback or evolving requirements. These phases are often iterative, especially in agile methodologies, where the cycle is repeated in smaller increments to allow for continuous improvement.